It's your boy Vibes. We got another one for you. You already know what it is. Today we got Aang from Avatar: The Last Airbender. You know what it is. Let's get it popping. So, I've been seeing a whole lot of hype, coming from this show. This show does definitely deserve it. Pretty great. But I was like, how can I put my little touch into this? And that's when I got the idea. I was like, alright, I'll do Aang. And it all came out from there. Alright, I'll let y'all get to the paint. And there he is. Aang all done. Boom. Now we gotta get to the best part, the doodle. Let's get sketching. I wasn't sure what I was gonna do with this, but kind of just go with the flow. I kind of feel like that's how I do with my doodles, let whatever comes to my brain get onto the page or the document, you know what I mean? So that's kind of how it went. Oh, I also found a new tripod to use, so you might see different camera angles and steadier shots instead of what I was doing before. Alright, let y'all get back to it. And there's the sketch. Boom. Here we go. Now we get to the inking, baby. You already know how much I enjoy this. Oh yeah.
They never really understand me. I need a comment like I need a Grammy. She lays the flow with her designer panties. Yeah, we eating plenty. Check the pantry from the sound waves to the rebel lines, from the tattered bridges to expensive dishes. Now we eating ends with these new beginnings. Yet the sign a major for the bankroll. But thank the Lord that it dies at penitentiary. Night sky, but my inside is in mighty flashy with a bird's eye. Scribble gems to get my pockets lined till I get arthritis. My heart is icy, walking past the bouncer like I knew somebody. Cool like hella cloudy. Yeah, the poison ivy went from like a stronger with a cosign me. I don't even like me. No, I'm staring in the mirror in different poses. Claim me the realest, the shy, but timid. The riddles were fingers, they simple-minded. Find a road on top, I'm taking it. From the ground, now we paving it. Hella boastful when I'm ventilating. Too much on my place, then they take it. Yeah, new sounds, I make a facelift. I'm in a new town, I make the wave split. New talent, we accruing balance. Where I run the game until my shoe is calloused. On a loose gravel, keep the flame lit. I relay the message, nobody better. I'm bringing them careless, I want it forever. But
quick tip. Be sure that if you're trying to doodle, make sure you fill up all the space that you're trying to. So I put little black spots to, make sure I fill it up. Don't leave any open spots. It's pretty important. I guess it just makes it look cleaner. So if you're gonna doodle, make sure you fill up the space. And that's the inking. Now we get to the best part, the tasty lines. I'm gonna enjoy this meal. Excuse me.
So negative, how they envy how I edit it. Live my life just like it's precious. Just give me the mic and light it under lights. I put a knife and pressure, they fabricate it. Yeah, I've been as quick to set them straight. Yeah, I'm really next to detonate. California on the birth certificate. How we claim that they ain't seen the wave. How we painted on the level up. The tattered garments, been a starving artist. It's like 09, that was go time. Close mine, that's where my heart is hard. Ain't need a place made for my family's sake. I've been through some things, make a better way. Why do I put out a play? money plotting. Going up, yeah, I just elevated. Staircase, I'm headed to the paper print for this as I was folding planes. Now we on, let them serenade. I see the chief for better days.
Those tasty lines, they look pretty delicious. I enjoyed that one. Alright, time to finish it all up with some coloring. Let's get it poppin'.
I can't hide away, make me feel it's all on my face. Yeah, I got it made. Yeah, things been going my way. Hope the feeling don't fade. Yeah, stream money, anything. Ain't no telling why I land. Probably someone in the waves. Things been going my way. Yeah, hope the feeling don't fade.
A little disclaimer, this color combo I made by accident, and I decided to just roll with it. So if it looks weird, you know, it was random, but I think I liked it. And we are just about done with the coloring, showing you guys my little trick with the blending. But you know, keep the secrets to the channel, peoples. Don't let anybody else know unless they come over here. All right, enjoy the reveal, everyone, and keep watching to the end for some announcements. And there he is, Aang, Avatar, the last airbender, in a doodle. Who would have thought? Be sure to check out my link tree and everything in the description. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and my Twitch. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, sub. You know what it is. Oh, and be sure to comment any video ideas that you guys got. I'll leave y'all to it. See you in the next one.